Hi guys, welcome to WPGeoBuddy. In this video, we are going to show how to add floating action bar in your directory website. So we are going to show you the single detail page of a directory site, which is the main listing page where all the details are located. Currently, when a user visits that listing page, they have to scroll down to reach the action buttons, and they can get a bit confused about where everything should be, right? So for that, we can use this floating action bar that appears from the bottom with an animation. Look, whether you scroll or not, it will be visible to you. It displays the listing title, image, call, WhatsApp, share button, and the favorite button very nicely. This improves the user experience, increases the chances of generating leads, and is also user-friendly. Furthermore, it makes it much easier for the user to make a call or contact via WhatsApp. It has been designed for both mobile and desktop, and it is very user-friendly. Look guys, this is how it looks. For purchase this floating action bar add-on, you need to go to your plugins and get the add-on for our main GeoBuddy plugin, which is called GeoBuddy Floating Action Bar, which we purchased from WPGeoBuddy website. To do that, you need to go to the WPGeoBuddy products section, where you will see many other add-ons included. From these, we have selected the GeoBuddy Floating Action Bar. You can also purchase this as a single add-on, which comes with the GeoBuddy add-on plugin. You will get many things for free, which I will show you now, and there are many more features available in the Pro version. So let's go ahead. We have already uploaded it, so let's activate it. After activation, we will hover over GeoBuddy and go to the settings. So, now what we need to do is, look guys, the floating action bar tab has appeared. Here we will have a CPT, custom post type, called places, and the CPT will load dynamically. We have created this CPT here called places, where all the businesses are displayed. Currently, all the places are in this places section, so since it is a single CPT, only one CPT is visible. If we turn this on, we will be able to see the floating action bar on the listing detail page. If we turn it off and click Save Changes and then refresh the page, look guys, it will no longer be visible. If we turn it back on, it will be applied to the detail page of all those individual places. Now, where do you want to display it? Desktop or mobile? I want to show it on both. If you don't want to show it on one, you can turn it off and it won't appear. For the position, whether bottom, left, or right, we will set it to left and save it. You will see that some things are available for free here, and we have also provided a live preview interface for you. Some features are only available in the paid version. Now, let's go to the front end and refresh the page. So, you will see that the floating action bar appears in this way. Now, if we want it to appear at the bottom or on the right, we can set it to the bottom. For the layout, whether full width or boxed, it looks best in full width. You can also drag items from the right column and bring them here. If we drag and drop them here, it will appear next to the listing. So, we want it to stay on one side and the contact action options to appear in the right column. If I change the action color to orange, after making it orange and saving it, some changes will take effect. I had set it to the bottom earlier. Look, the color has turned orange. So, this is a great feature that you can use. We can also set some styles here, like how many pixels of corner radius you want. Use this so that your directory site's user interface and user experience become even better, and the chances of getting leads increase. And the best part is that it works very well and makes the site look very professional. You can see that how professional it looks. So, to use this add-on, we will put the link to the site in the video description box, where you can purchase the GeoBuddy Floating Bar. With the WPGeoBuddy membership, you get access to every premium GeoBuddy add-on in one simple plan. Or that means powerful tools like multi-step forms, private messaging, weather widgets, announcement bars, broadcast messaging, AI features, premium templates, and future add-ons all included. Plus, You'll receive regular updates and priority support, so your directory website stays secure and up to date. We also provide directory website development and consultation services. If you need any help related to directory website, you can book a 30-minute free consultation call with our expert. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in next video.